Tuya app dual camera doorbell and Wi-Fi camera. Now you will go to learn how to install it. So first of all, you have to unpacking devices. Yeah, user manual, main doorbell, and this is different mounting brackets. This is chime. Once you press the doorbell, you will see this chime, and this is tools for installation. This is back dual tape. This is cable for charging. This is for wired connection. So charge, first of all you have to charge the doorbell. Plug the one end to the charging port. It's supposed to be right side or left side of the doorbell. Yeah, just remove the sealing and connect the cable with doorbell. The other end you need a adapter. Use just any USB-A adapter and connect it and connect the adapter to the power. You can turn on the doorbell, but you can charge the doorbell before turn on. It's up to you. This is a little bit charged before, so like 40% charge. So you can install right away. But if your doorbell is not charged, it is better to charge fully before using it. So now we will go to other unboxing. Wi-Fi 5G dual camera. This camera is also for Tuya compatible with Tuya app, and you can use it this with Wi-Fi dual frequency like 4G or 5G. It will work on both. So just unboxing all the accessories. It comes with adapter, cable, and mounting and screws. So it comes with adapter and cable. So just plug in camera to this cable via and connect this adapter to the outlet. It's supposed to be 120 to 240, and yeah, once you will connect this, the camera will start rotating. You need to wait. The camera lens will be rotate and come back to the own first position. Yeah, once it will be back to its position, you have you have to install and sign up Tuya app. You can go to the app store from any Android or iPhone device and find the app Tuya app. It is very common and well reputed app. Just go there, find and install it. Once you will install, just open the app and press the sign up. If you have account, you can log in or press sign up. Put your uh, email address and the country will be yours, definitely whatever the country, and press put your email address. Press the verification code button and go to your inbox. It could be possible if the email go to your spam folder, but it is better, mostly it will come to the inbox. So just uh, get the code and put the same code into the this window, so it will be processed. So just you can see this similar code in your inbox and put the same code into. I'm using two phones, so okay, so set your password now. After putting the code, you will get the pass set a new password window. Once you will put your new password, supposed to be 6 to 10 letter, and it will be combination of letter, alphabet and number, and agree for everything, like accept location, everything. The camera need to be all your location and everything for security purpose. Just go and proceed and go for your app. Then press the plus icon on your left or on your right top corner and press the add device. Proceed, and if you will see the camera here, just go and click. If you can't, just go to your left side left and go camera and log and choose Wi-Fi dual camera, smart Wi-Fi dual camera. Press next and next. You can reset the camera with whole, but if in case if something happened wrong, but you can make sure everything when you select your password, Wi-Fi password and ID, it's supposed to be exactly same what you use. There's a shortcut you can use for Wi-Fi camera. I don't know about your phone, but my phone automatically recognizes password and Wi-Fi what I'm using on my phone. Or you can put this and copy the same Wi-Fi and password from your device. Just proceed everything. Now scan QR code to with camera. The camera will see and give you signal kind of sound, like and once you will hear some sound after showing the QR code to camera, then press the I hate prompt button. And wait for proceed. The camera automatically speak and say a Wi-Fi connection or internet connecting, and wait for it. If in this case, if any issue with your, so this process will not go further. So once it will be correct, the password and Wi-Fi, the camera start working, and you will see it on your phone. So for doorbell, you have to do the same kind installation. This is also 5G and 4G, so you don't need to worry about the band. So turn on the device and press and hold reset button. Do the same thing at device, whatever you did. So do the same thing, press start button. Like just add device and just do the same thing. If you couldn't see your phone, your device on this window,
system reset, you will see here.
Then you need to do the reset doorbell, and you have to once the doorbell will be reset, go to left side
So this is a dual
and
band
lock camera and lock
doorbell,
and
dual
choose
band.
this time dual doorbell camera, smart doorbell.
The same
Do
Wi-Fi and
next and the
password.
same. Once
Once
it
you will
asks
select,
your Wi-Fi and password,
you will
do
see
the
this,
same thing what did you do before, and now
you will see
show
here
the
this
QR code
information,
to
and then you can
doorbell,
press this.
and you will hear something from
You
doorbell.
can see
Then you
the
have to
light is
press the
blinking.
I
It
hate
will be
prompt.
stable soon.
You will see the doorbell light will be blink and change different color,
You will see
blue, and
it
then
is
once it will
stable
be connected, you
and
will
the
see
camera has been
solid
properly
blue
installed.
color on your doorbell. Now
Yeah,
you can use
now
your
you can,
doorbell. Thank you very
it's 41%
much.
charge, so you can, yeah,
And you
you
can
can see
change
both
your
camera together.
camera setting as well,
Yeah,
like
all one by one. Thank you.
different features you can choose and check. Thank you very much. you can see product